Hey everybody, now we got another episode of How the Hell Am I Allowed in a Kitchen? And in this one we're going to be using the Maximatic Elite Platinum Air Fryer again, which I'll drop a link in the description to that. And we're going to try to do a frozen chicken breast. I found a recipe. Recipe said spray it with olive oil, which I don't have an olive oil sprayer. I don't even know that's even a thing. And then it said put some Montreal chicken seasoning on, which I randomly actually just bought on Amazon. You need to spend like $5 more to make $35 to get same day shipping. And so I threw it on as an add-on item. And there's our frozen chicken. Doesn't get much more frozen than that. And what I'm going to do, since I don't have an olive sprayer, is I'm going to take my olive oil, dump some in the bowl and on it. Take my seasoning here. Quality seal off. Probably add some more of this here. I don't know how much you're supposed to do. Guess I don't really care. I mean, no matter how stuff turns out, I just eat it because I don't like wasting food. I'm just gonna try to get it shook up here. All right. And I did preheat this for 3 minutes because I think I read that in the instructions that you're supposed to do that. And I'm gonna go ahead and just dump it in there. And I don't like how that got coated. I'll show you this in a second here. So two of these are stuck together. Not anymore. Learned anything from my last video, which I'll link in the corner, that it's not good to have stuff kind of stacked and layered. Some more of this on there. All right, that's what we got going in the fryer. And that recipe that I found, which I'll also link in the description, it said 360 for 26 minutes, it said. So I'll just do 28 minutes. And we will fire it up. And we'll be back to see how it turns out. All right, that's 28 minutes of cook time. So let's check it out here, see what we got. And I tell you that they look good. Smells good as well. Yeah, I don't think that could be any more tender. I mean, it just almost pulls apart. And these are kind of tenderloins, but I don't see why this wouldn't work with a, actual chicken breast. You know, that's right out of the freezer, right into the air fryer. And I got to tell you here, I'm pretty impressed with that. And not going to chew in anyone's ear, but I tell you, it smells good and friggin' looks good. Screw it. Yeah, I got to tell you, that is excellent. That's like perfect. I don't know if I've ever made chicken that good. I normally undercook it and then I overcook it as my normal way to cook chicken, especially frozen. But that came out, I mean, perfect. I don't think I could have done this any better. Or I'd say I mean, all I did was follow directions for a change. But it's pretty damn good. I recommend it. And like I said, I'll drop a link in the description to the air fryer, and I'll put a link to the recipe that I just used to make this. And I guess until next time, I might, I might try doing some bacon like a normal human being. Maybe I'll try that later today for maybe dinner. This is breakfast. But anyway, that'll do it for this video, guys, and we'll talk to everybody later.